Welcome to Autodesk Revit Fundamentals for Residential Design.
At IMAGINiT Technologies, we offer online courses that introduce each trainee to the essentials needed to help launch them into the world of Revit modeling. With the completion of this course, clients have the opportunity to obtain knowledge of the tools, methods, and processes needed to confidently use the software in a typical workday.
In this course, we will learn to take full advantage of the BIM software, designed to teach the concepts and principles of creating three-dimensional parametric modeling with architectural buildings from design to construction documentation. This training course is intended to introduce you and the users to the user interface, basic modeling components, and the software that makes Autodesk Revit a powerful and flexible modeling tool. The goal is to familiarize yourself with the tools required to create, modify, analyze, and document a parametric model. Topics and exercises have been developed through our team at Ascent to help students understand the workflow within the Revit modeling software. Completion of this course will enable students to understand the purpose of BIM and how it is applied in the Autodesk Revit software, navigate the Autodesk Revit workspace and interfaces, work with basic sketching and modifying tools, link AutoCAD and Revit files as a basis of design for your project, create levels and datum elements in the model, create a three-dimensional building model, including walls, windows, and doors, add component features such as furniture and equipment, model floors, ceilings, and roofs to the building model, place stairs and railings, set up sheets for plotting with text, dimensions, details, tags, and schedules, and create details.
IMAGINIT's live online courses are interactive with an in-person instructor who walks students through the different topics discussed throughout the class. To help each student familiarize themselves with routine tools that they will require in their daily workflow, each attendee will access Revit through our unique online lab and work through practical exercises developed to assist each trainee in gaining a thorough understanding of the software.
Navigate the three-dimensional aspects of the design within the Revit software. Link AutoCAD and other Revit model files as a basis of design. Create levels, sections, and elevations as datum elements for the model. Create a 3D modeled building with walls, windows, and doors. Insert component features such as furniture, appliances, and other equipment. Model specific floors, ceilings, and roof structures into your custom building. Place stairs and railings for vertical circulation. Set up sheets for plotting, complete with text, dimensions, details, tags, and schedules. Create simple or custom details to enhance your design. Export Revit model content into AutoCAD format files to share with other consultants and clients.
Each day of class, our well-experienced and knowledgeable instructors take students through how Revit functions, implementing designs while giving employees the confidence and to transition into the software in order to fulfill their daily work needs, alleviating the fears that come with transitioning into new software and new tools, assisting Revit modelers in tackling the daily obstacles and helping them move forward through working with problems, experience through the software, and effectively and more quickly doing their tasks. Upon completion of our course, technicians, designers, and managers alike each will gain the confidence to create a new project and open an existing model, navigating seamlessly while easily moving through the various areas of the drawing in order to design, set up, and manage a project with much more ease, cutting down the time companies spend on tackling the burdensome tasks of onboarding new employees and understanding how new software can be used to implement into your daily workflow. IMAGINIT's
Revit Fundamentals for Residential Design
equips students with the capabilities they need to move forward in today's technologically changing environment, familiarizing themselves with the latest and greatest in three-dimensional modeling software.